Hello KonnecttzIT family, welcome to another KonnecttzIT training videos. So in this video I'll be explaining you how you can actually connect WooCommerce with your Aweber. So basically, whenever there is a new sale happen, like whenever an order created inside your WooCommerce store, so we gonna create a subscriber on Aweber, and also we will add a particular tag for in that way Aweber. So let's do that. So before we creating any workflow, so we have to authorize this app. So we don't need to authorize WooCommerce because it is an webbook app, so we just need to place the webbook manually, but as like Aweber has to be authorized inside KonnecttzIT. So to authorize Aweber, so first just search for app, so click on the app and click on add account. This will redirect you to a Aweber page where it will ask you for credentials. So basically you have to provide your credentials and the password. So then you have to verify you are not a robot and click on allow access. So this will going to authorize Aweber app inside KonnecttzIT. So now once we authorized app, so now let's build our workflow. So by clicking on create connect, create a new subscriber on Aweber whenever there is a WooCommerce sale. So let's do this. So first for this we will just search for WooCommerce app and place our webbook manually. So just drag and drop WooCommerce, select the action trigger as order created. So whenever there is a new order created, so we will take that as my trigger and copy the webbook URL. So based on the instructions provided here, so we need to place our webbook manually inside WooCommerce store. So let's go to the WooCommerce store and go to settings. Under settings you have to click on advanced tab, and under advanced tab, so go to webbooks here, click on webbooks. So click on add webbook, then just name your webbook and make it active and select the trigger as order created again. Then just place the webbook URL and save your webbook. That's it. So basically here we are actually doing and placing of our webbook. So now go to KonnecttzIT and click on capture webbook response. So this will enable KonnecttzIT to capture the response from the webbook URL where we placed for WooCommerce. So now let's go to our WooCommerce store and place an order. So now let's go to our WooCommerce store and create an order. So I'll go to view cart and then proceed to checkout with all my details up over here. So I'll just place my order. So once I place this order, automatically this order will be captured inside KonnecttzIT. So as we triggered our webbook, yes, we received the order and we have the order details over here in under billing. So we have all the details of the user with his contact details as well. So you can see that we have an email and the phone number too. So now let's go ahead and create an subscriber inside Aweber. Even you can actually filter based on the products as well over here, because we do get a product details. So basically, so with all the details over here, so and also the delivery method. So based on this you can even filter using KonnecttzIT conditions. So now we will drag and drop Aweber app. So search for Aweber, drag and drop Aweber app and select the actions. So KonnecttzIT basically support all these actions. So you can create a subscriber, update a subscriber, delete, unsubscribe email, or find a subscriber. So now I will be creating a subscriber for every new sale. Select my account. So I'm gonna select that account and also choose the list. So on which list it will be. So basically I will be selecting it as webinar registrant, and now I will just add an email over here and also the name, and add the tag as test. So basically I'm just adding it to the test tag, so and it on test and review. So this will going to create a subscriber on my Aweber account. Yes, the subscriber has created successfully. So now I will go ahead and publish my Konnectz. So now whoever places an order inside my Woocommerce store, automatically and subscriber will be created inside my Aweber store. So let's go to Aweber and refresh it. So there we will be created. This will be for the tag, so which I selected, that is test. So there will be a 2 subscriber added now. So now let's go ahead and open our view tag subscribers. So basically those who tag subscribers for my webinar registrant, so there the email ID will be added inside Aweber. So you can see that, so it has been added and it is still at the pending stage. So now let's go ahead and create one more order and search for my add a subscriber inside Aweber. So let's go ahead and create an order again. So let's go back to, so in this case I'll just gonna change my name as John Doe and my email ID to john.doe@gmail.com, and rest all things I'll just leave it like that and just place an order. So basically I just place an order with John Doe name and also john.doe. This is the email ID. So thank you, the order has been placed. And so as per our Konnectz, so basically, so whenever there is a new order placed inside my Woocommerce store, so automatically a new subscriber will be added inside Aweber. So now let's go to Aweber and just refresh our page. Person by John Doe will be added inside our Aweber as a subscriber. Let's do that. Let's go ahead and test that. Yes, you can see that. So a person by name John with the email ID as johndoe.rang@gmail.com is been added as a subscriber, and also the tag has been added. So you can see that the tag has been automatically added whenever a new subscriber. Basically you can add a product name over there, so that as a tag, so that you can actually identify which product the person has been purchased for. So this is how you can connect your Woocommerce stores to Aweber. Hope you guys like this video, and if you have any questions on this particular integration, do let me know on the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a great day.